Hey guys, it's Brandon, and today we're making a bagel recipe using Greek yogurt instead of the traditional yeast method. So yeah, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, about 1/2 cup of water, 1 egg for a wash, and 1.5 cups of Greek yogurt. For the toppings, you can use anything you have on hand: onion flakes, garlic powder, sesame seeds, whatever. I'm going to be using sesame seeds for half the bagels and everything bagel seasoning for the other half. So the first step is to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. While the oven's preheating, we're going to mix our flour, salt, baking powder, and whisk until combined. Once our dry ingredients are mixed, we're going to add the water and Greek yogurt and stir to combine. I switched to a spoon at this point because it was slightly easier to mix, but once it starts drying up, that's when you want to start getting in there with your hand and kneading it, and then once it's even firmer, you're going to lightly dust a surface with flour and start kneading it until it becomes a round, solid ball. Once you have your dough ball, you want to divide it into your individual bagels. This recipe yields between 4 to 8 bagels, 8 medium to small bagels, or 4 large bagels. It's up to you. When I was filming this, I originally planned to do 8, but then halfway through the mixing, I decided to do 4. So the video is going to show 8 balls, but I combined them into 4 balls. But it's up to you however many balls you want or bagels you want. So yeah, once you have your bagels divided, at this point you're gonna roll them out to about 1/4 inch thick, and then once they're smooth, you're gonna bring the two ends together and kind of like twist them and roll them until they form a solid circle. Once you have your bagels ready, put them on the baking sheet and get your egg wash ready. So what you want to do is just scramble 1 egg and coat all the bagels as much as possible with the egg wash, because this is going to give it the nice golden upper layer, and it's going to help keep the toppings from falling off. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm doing half and half. So for 2 of the bagels, I'm going to put sesame seeds only, and for the other half, I'm going to use everything bagel seasoning. So once you finish topping your bagels, you're going to place them in the preheated oven anywhere between 25 to 35 minutes, depending on how big you made them. Since I made 4 large bagels, I had left them in there for 35 minutes or until golden brown on top. Once they're cooked, you want to take them out and place them on a cooling rack. And there you have it, 4 nice golden fluffy bagels. I kind of regret doing 4. They expanded more than I thought in the oven. It's a thick ass board! But it's all up to you. You can make 4 big ones like these, which are great for sandwiches, or you can do smaller ones, like 6 to 7 smaller ones, for some cream cheese or for a snack. These stay good at room temperature for 3 to 4 days after making them, and just like regular store-bought bagels, you could cut them down the middle and toss them in a toaster and they cook just like a regular bagel. So yeah, there you have it. No yeast bagels using Greek yogurt. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, leave a like, leave a comment down below on how you want me to improve or what you want me to do next, and yeah, see you next time.